To pay an American Eagle credit card, follow these steps. Online. Visit the American Eagle website and log in to your account using your credentials. Click on the Payments tab. Enter the amount you wish to pay, and complete the payment form. Be sure to review your payment details before submitting. The payment will be processed within 2 business days. Alternatively, you can pay over the phone by calling the number on the back of your credit card and following the automated system's prompts to access the payment system. You will need to provide the required information and follow the instructions to complete the payment. Another option is to pay by mail. To do this, write a check for the amount due, attach the payment coupon from your statement, and send it to the designated post office box. The addresses are available for reference. By following these steps, you can easily pay your American Eagle credit card bill.